Hello everyone, greetings of peace and love. I'm Arjuna from Sri Lanka. So currently I'm attached to East Metro campus, which is one of the leading largest private higher education networks in Sri Lanka. I'm currently being as an assistant program manager and a lecturer for School of Business. So I'm here today to share my lovely, wonderful and memorable experience with Ripple's Learning Services. I was searching for a place where I can learn HR, and I have found quite a number of good institutions and training schools to learn HR, right? Then there's a question arises that why I choose the Ripple's Learning Services to get my HR qualification in hand. The reason is simple: get to know the HR theories, HR frameworks. Theoretically, there are a number of places. Instead of only learning HR, I would like to practice HR in a real life scenario, right? So Ripple's Learning Services, they very nicely put together or incorporated the theoretical aspects of HR alongside with the practical exposure of doing it. So all sort of a 6 month of learning in Ripple's Learning Services, I exposed myself practicing HR practically, so which is very much important and which that I was looking for. One of the advantages of learning CHRMP at Ripple's Learning Services is basically, I would say Ripple's Learning Services is a HR laboratory, right, in which we can experiment HR. So to be honest, when I was learning that CHRMP at Ripple, I involved in a wide range of HR activities practically. For an example, Ripple's provides a wide range of corporate training programs, and I practically involved in a training programs in terms of preparing a training report, doing a training need analysis, and basically technology. At CHRMP, I have learned many latest and contemporary happenings in the corporate world. For an example, using virtual reality into recruitment and selection. Especially British Army, they are using virtual reality to recruit people for army. On the other hand, the extensive use of artificial intelligence into recruitment and selection. So these are something very contemporary, which is really happening in an industry. Ripple's Learning Services is significantly contributing to create HR professionals who can live up to the expectation of the world of work. If you really need to learn human resource management with a practical, hands-on experience, you must choose Ripple's Learning Services to become a competent and an outperformed HR professional. Thank you.